Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm filming in a slightly different location, and that is because I'm actually on holiday in Yorkshire with my family. Now we're actually staying in the same village that I've stayed in ever since I was a small child, ever since before I could even walk. My mum used to come and stay in this village with my gran and granddad, and they used to take us on walks in a carry bag on their back. And my brother and myself have been coming here ever since, every single year. Now my granddad has since then passed away, but we still come here with my mum and my gran, and now I bring my partner and my 2 children. So it's really nice place to come and stay, and it's almost like a home away from home. It's somewhere that we're very familiar with. We know all the nice walks around here, we know all the nice pubs and all the nice places to go and see. So I thought I would do a quick unboxing video here for you today. I've actually set the camera up at the side of the road. It's quite hard to find somewhere dry to set the camera up because it keeps raining on and off. So I've actually found a little shelter underneath a tree. People are driving past and walking past and looking at me like I'm a bit crazy, so we'll get straight into today's unboxing. Now this is actually from the Silver Trader. Now I've bought many items from the Silver Trader in the past. He is a small business that is based in Newcastle, and he has very reasonably priced gold and silver on his website. He mainly specialises in silver, but I'm pretty sure every now and then he does some gold. I might have got that wrong, but I've only ever bought silver from there personally, but I do recommend you check him out. I will leave a link to his website in the description below if you're interested to have a look. And like I said, it's very reasonable prices. I'm not sure if he ships abroad or not, but obviously he definitely ships around the UK. Now this coin I decided to bring with me to unbox on holiday. Fits quite nicely, I think, with the countryside theme of today's video. Always really nicely packaged. Now you can see this is actually his website on here. Feel free to pause it and have a read through, but you can see you've got all his contact details there. Do feel free to have a look on his website. Now this is the coin that we're going to be unboxing today. Really nice that it's arrived in a capsule. Wow, look at that. And like I said, it's themed nicely with today's backdrop because it's a wildlife animal themed coin. And you can see this is actually from the Perth Mint. It's one of their new series coins. You can see it's got the date of the Queen's reign on the top there, which is really nice. That's what all of the 2023 Perth Mint coins currently have on them. Really nice tribute to the Queen. 4 nines fine, as with all Perth Mint products. And I just think it's an absolutely gorgeous design. For those of you that have seen my tattoos on my video, you'll know that I have a full sleeve which has koi's on it. It's a Japanese sleeve, and it's just such a nice design, especially at the moment when everyone is really excited about the dragon bars. I think this is a really nice alternative to the dragon bars if you prefer coins or rounds, because not only have you got a dragon on there, which looks really nice, you've also got the koi there as well. Absolutely gorgeous piece of silver. Now I believe these are a limited mintage as well, and they have been very popular. So definitely something to add to the collection. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. But like I said, I think it's really nice because not only have you got the dragon on there, you've also got a koi on there as well, and it's a really nice scene. Now I won't be taking it out of the capsule today because I don't want to risk dropping it and getting it wet and muddy. But I will take it out of the capsule so you can have a closer look in a future video. I'm going to wrap up the video there because I'm getting very wet knees. But thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day.